This is NC50 drill pipe in which the float valve is inserted. I disassemble this valve. First of all, we will have to rotate this and take it out. For this, I made a tool like this. Which adjusted inside the rotating it. Okay, and after that I put this seat and after that this plunger, and after this one. It was broken before I got it in my shop. In this sequence we disassemble it, and after coming the wall, I will insert it inside the drill pipe from the backboard. That is